Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now. It's Corona time. It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now. It's Corona.
Hey Pierce, hi American History 2 students. I've been receiving a few emails from you asking what we're going to be doing moving forward in terms of enrichment activities. And here's what I can tell you. You need to go on to your email, check it, check Canvas, and I will have instructions for you as to what the activity is, how I want you to do it, and when this material will need to be submitted. So please continue to check Canvas, check emails. Until then, here's how we deal with the coronavirus at the Shada House. Hey, coronavirus, you get off of her. Choke slam. That's how we deal with the coronavirus around here at the Shada House. So, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. God bless.